guys, it's Faye and this is Day with Faye. Today I am going to be reviewing and swatching the newest Kylie lip sets. I have all three. I am going blonde. This is the darker shade I have right now. In like 2 months it'll be like champagne blonde. So if you're like something's different, that's what it is. Timestamps are going to be in the description below if you're looking for a specific piece of information. I got you guys. I actually got the newest lip blushes and they were supposed to deliver the same day as these lip sets, but they're lost in the mail right now. Hopefully they come soon. So whenever that happens, I'll make a video for you guys. So put on your notifications bell and you'll get notified when that video is out, because it's definitely gonna be sporadic because it was supposed to deliver Monday, it's Wednesday, it's not even out for delivery. So who knows, it's not even nearby. So as always, I'm gonna do these swatches here. I'm gonna do them outside as well, so you get 2 different lighting situations. And I'm gonna do swatch comparisons to anything that looks similar to my collection that I currently have. So first up, I'm gonna start with this lip set. Okay, sorry, I'm confused. On the back of the box it says Lovestruck, but online they call it One of a Kind, and One of a Kind is behind this box. So whoever was in charge of the packaging just made a mistake. Look, I have Lovestruck here, but the package is pink. It seems like all the pictures are messed up. This is technically Lovestruck, this color, but on the back it says One of a Kind, but One of a Kind is this color. But this says You Glow Girl. What? Okay, so hopefully that's just an issue with the if you buy all 3, because if not, I'm really confused. But let's just move on. So first up, I'm gonna do You Glow Girl, which is a bright warm pink.
Diamond in the dark, yeah, finally found myself. I'm done looking back and now flowers in bloom, yeah. Powers in you, yeah. Oh, I'm keeping on till I bring out the sun.
You guys, this color is so beautiful. I love it so much. Honestly, I think it goes really well with my skin tone. And I also really like how it looks like against my hair. I think that this is a really, really sweet color. And honestly, I'm gonna wear this color all the time. I already can call it. This is really good. I probably should have ended with this color because I knew that I was gonna be really feeling this color. Next, we're gonna add the gloss, and the gloss is a soft mauve shimmer.
Looking for the way in this bubble, lost, but it feels so safe. We're playing a game. Make your move now.
Okay, so I think that this combo with the gloss is actually really, really cute. First of all, the glosses remind me a lot of Smucker's lip glosses from back in the day. Not the consistency, no, just the smell, like a really nostalgic smell. And the smell of the matte liquid lipsticks are the same smell as all her other matte liquid lipsticks, but I think that this is really cute. Honestly, I'm obsessed with the You Glow Girl set. This one's really cute. Next up, we're gonna be doing the One of a Kind set. So this color is absolutely stunning and gorgeous. The One of a Kind matte liquid lipstick is a light peachy nude, and the lip liner is darker and is a deep warm rose. So honestly, I'm really feeling this. I think it looks beautiful on my skin tone. So far, I'm like really impressed with both of these shades. So next up, we're gonna put the gloss, and the gloss is a neutral mid-tone nude. This is a really cute gloss combination for sure. I'm not really a gloss person usually, but I'm kind of feeling this. Pleasantly surprised. The next set that we're going to be doing is the Lovestruck lip set. Now the Lovestruck Matte Liquid Lipstick is a warm chocolate nude.
I'm keeping on till I bring out the sun. Bring out the sun. Twisting into flowers. When it won't get better, I'll make it better. Baby, I can do it myself. I got the power myself.
So, usually I get a little bit scared with browns because they can make me pretty pale, but this is so cute. I love that it's a warm brown. Honestly, I feel like all three of these shades look good on different skin tones. So I definitely highly recommend all of these sets. But before I give it my official stamp of approval, I gotta put the lip gloss on. The gloss is a sheer cream with an opal shimmer.
Let's go for a ride. City lights in the sky. Top down, close my eyes. We got no place to be. Driving around aimlessly, thinking
I think that the gloss combos of each kit is actually really thoughtful, and I think they look stunning together. Honestly, I love all three of these a lot. So if you have my skin tone, I think all three of these would look beautiful on you. Hey guys, so we're going to be doing a swatch comparison of all the matte liquid lipsticks. If there is a swatch you want to see that I did not include, please comment down below and I will get that swatch out to you as soon as I can. So first up we have You Go Girl and Sweater Weather. Now these are definitely similar, but I would say Sweater Weather has more of a terracotta, warmer vibe and slightly darker too than You Go Girl. So now we have Kylie, One of a Kind, and Koko. Now I would say that Koko is different than these two because it is more nude and lighter than Kylie and Koko. Next up we have Brown Sugar, Lovestruck, and Dolce. I would say that Lovestruck is more similar to Dolce than Brown Sugar, but still Lovestruck has more of a warmer tone to it and a more mauve-y tone to it compared to Dolce. And those are the swatch comparisons I have for you guys. So that concludes my Kylie Cosmetics haul and review for you guys. I hope you found it extremely informational, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. I always genuinely appreciate it. And if you haven't already, I would love for you to subscribe. All you have to do is click my face right here, and you can watch some of my other Kylie Cosmetics videos right here. I hope you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Bye!